Hi everyone, Matt here from CarWow. So I'm in a Mercedes-AMG G63. Next to me is a Leon Cupra R ST apt. And next to that is an Audi RS3, and we're going to have a drag race. So I've got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. That Seat has a 2-litre turbocharged engine tuned to 350 horsepower because it's the apt version, and it has 440 newton meters of torque. The Audi RS3 has a 2.5-litre 5-cylinder turbo with 400 horsepower and 480 newton meters of torque. We've all got automatic gearboxes, all got all-wheel drive. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you're alerted when we make a new upload, because if you don't, you just won't get all our latest videos, and that'd be a real shame. Also, follow me on Instagram at MattWatsonCars. I think this is going to be a really interesting race. All these cars are actually CarWow long-term test vehicles, so we've got them for 6 months. This obviously is the one that I'm running. Yeah. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a launch control system. I'm just going to hold it on the brake and release the brake and go. So it's going to be interesting to see how the instant acceleration compares to those two cars. In fact, I tell you what, why don't you just click up there on the pop-out banner to vote to see if you can guess which you think of these cars is going to win. G63, Seat, or the RS3? You done? All right, let's race then. I'm off first. Come on! Come on, G! Come on! The RS is coming now. I've got to beat the Seat. Can I beat the RS3? It's close. Second place isn't too bad. Off the line first. Sometimes launch control systems aren't as good at just holding a normal torque converter on the brake, because you just release the brake and it's all wound up and it just goes. And it was ahead for a while. RS3 came past and it beat both me and the Seat.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Audi crossed the line first, doing the standing quarter mile in 12.7 seconds. The Mercedes-AMG took 12.8 seconds, and in last place was the Seat, which took 13.1 seconds to do the quarter mile.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars are in comfort mode and in drive, like you're just cruising along on the motorway. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this kicked down pretty well, better than the Seat. The Seat's getting dropped. The Audi's just eking a lead, and I think that's all we need to know about this. Now, I know some of you guys don't like it when we do that rolling race in comfort mode, but it's more realistic to what happens if you're on the motorway and you suddenly need to overtake someone. We're going to do it in gear though this time. So now we're in third gear, 50 miles an hour, in sports mode. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, G-Wagon! Oh, it's close now. It's close, he hasn't got me yet. And he's just easing past. And that's enough of that. He just had the legs, but when you've got it in gear and it hasn't got to kick down, man, it picks up. Still, the Audi seems to be winning everything. Final test then, brake test from 70 miles an hour. When I hit the cone, full emergency stop. I'm at a severe disadvantage. This weighs 2.5 tons, which is about a whole ton heavier than those two. Do you know what? For a big old beast, it didn't do too badly compared to the Seat. That damn Audi again! It's won everything! There you go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and why don't you follow me on my own personal YouTube channel, Matt Watson Cars, where I review and film my own personal cars. Yes, they're kind of old, but fun. So go check it out.